First of all, to for anyone who does not believe that the energy, the vibration, the substance that I will call perfect healing does not exist, I ask you to experiment and maybe try to feel that it does exist. But of course, if it isn't real for you, it isn't real. But for anybody who wonders whether or not the energy, the vibration, the substance, the presence of what I'm going to call perfect healing exists, it does exist. It is real. It is as real as nature. It is as real as anything that you know to be real and that you would never question the reality of. So, let me repeat. Perfect healing energy, perfect healing vibration, perfect healing presence, perfect healing substance. Call it what you will, but it is as real as this hand. It is as real as your face. It is as real as the trees and the sky. And I'm saying I am completely together with it. I am affirming that it is 100% unified with all that I am. And I wanted to talk about the doubt that can arise with something like this, because it's so easy to doubt that not just healing energy, but perfect healing energy is as real as anything. And I'm not sure why it's so easy to doubt it. Maybe it's the fact that the global society is quite materialistic. Maybe it's just our conditioning. Maybe it's the culture or cultures that don't allow us or bring up for us a trepidation in stating and, most importantly, applying, practicing with the reality that perfect healing energy is real. But perfect healing energy is real. And the fun that I want to have right now with you is to affirm it such that it's felt in my toes, my legs, my whole body, all around me and in me. Every part of me, I'm affirming now to be unified with perfect healing energy. And it would not be wrong to say, I am perfect healing energy, and to use the affirmation to be the bridge, to use the affirmation as a bridge to get to the truth of the affirmation and to become the affirmation. I couldn't be more certain, and that's why I'm making the video. I could not be more certain that perfect healing energy is real and that it is all that I am, because I not only say it, I feel it. And not only do I feel it in one place within my being, I feel it all throughout the being. And this is the great power that we all have, is to, number one, know that perfect healing energy, perfect healing vibration, perfect healing presence, perfect healing substance is as real as anything. Number one, after you know, it's as real as anything else that you have taken to be real. Second step, affirm that all that you are is it. and set yourself completely free into that affirmation. All that you are is perfect healing energy. Perfect healing energy is all that you are. And feel it, know it, and keep knowing it, and keep feeling it. And allow your awareness of any remaining doubt that may visit you, whether it is of you or of something or someone else, really doesn't matter. It's the same. So be aware that any lingering or visiting, returning doubt is also that. So there is no contention. There is no battle. There is no conflict. Of course, in the freedom that is the miracle of infinite possibility, perfect healing energy can possibly not be real for you or for anybody. And that only affirms that that possibility is so. And if you want to return to disbelief that perfect healing energy is real, and therein disbelief that you can affirm that you are totally it and it is totally you, you can return to that. I've watched myself return to that many times and suffer the consequences. And strangely, I've even enjoyed suffering some of those consequences. Lately, I have more fun affirming that what I enjoy to call perfect healing energy is 100% real, and that what I enjoy to call perfect healing frequency, energy, substance, presence is 100% unified with the totality of what appears to be me. So this message is for those who are on the fence. This message is for anybody, but I suppose I'm finally driven to give this message to those who doubt, but whose doubt is possible to overcome for themselves, for those who find a spark of motivation to experiment with the idea that perfect healing energy is real and that one can attune oneself completely with it, to it. Om Pema Sharwari Pe Anin Parchik Naganin Teyata Sarva Virta Hana Hana Benzirna Raksha Raksha Soha Om Pema Sharwari Pe Anen Pachi Naganen Teyata Sarva Virita Hana Hana Benzirna Raksha Raksha So